What's next? Credit card payment. 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 What's next? Utility. What's next? Water. What's next? Telephone. What's next? And so they pretty much filled up 24 columns on the columnar pad. And then we said, write this statement across the top. These are my commitments to the financial world. I've made these commitments, and I intend to do my best to make all of these payments every month, and in some cases do twice as much as I said I would. So we said, write that, and they did. And then we said, what is on the far right column? What's the smallest column? It was a bicycle that they had purchased from Montgomery Ward, and the bicycle payment was $14 a month. So we said, do you think that you could pay all of these? And they said, no, I can't pay them all. We said, can you pay the minimum payments on all of them? They said, no. And we said, which one of these would cause you the least trouble if you didn't pay it? And they said, that credit card and that credit card and that credit card, because they seem to like me to get my balance high. So they'll just charge me extra interest, but no terrible repercussion will come with my relationship. So you can feel where that vibration is. Now there's a magnificent relationship in their vortex, but they have no access to it because they're so aware of the current relationship that they are living. And so they decide to go to work on this relationship. So we say, well, let's talk about it a little bit. And then they say, yeah, it's not good. I want it to be better, which doesn't give them any satisfaction because it's pulling in the opposite direction.